In this video, I'm going to take a different approach to manipulating multi-row, multi-column data and populate a frequency and relative frequency table. I'm going to use the exact same example that I used in the previous Chapter 2 video where I used the COUNTIFs command. Step 1 will take these 3 rows of 10 data points, and I'm going to make one row with 30 data points. So step 1 is to copy and paste each row into one row. So I hit copy and paste on the first row. I just put my cursor down where I have an empty row and hit edit, paste. Okay, there's the first row of 10 numbers. I will then copy the second row of 10 data points, hit copy, put my cursor at the end of the first row, and hit edit, paste. So now I have the first 20 points. Then I'm going to copy the third row and hit edit, copy, put my cursor after the last number, and hit edit, paste. So now I have all 30 data points in one row. Now, what I want to do is I want to take the row of 30 data points and put them into a column. If I can get the data points into a column, that enables me or allows me to sort the data either large to small or small to large. So I'm going to highlight this whole row of 30 points, and you just got to work with it here. I'm going to hit edit, copy, and I'm going to again find an open cell that has some space. I clicked it. Come over here to where you have the paste in this arrow, and you're going to hit paste, transpose. And now we have transposed the 30 numbers into a column. Okay? So that was step 2, is to transpose the row of data into a column of data. Step 3 is I can highlight these 30 data points. I can come over to this funnel looking shape with A to Z. I'm going to click it. I want to go largest to smallest. Okay? And so now you can see, and these are the 30 exam scores. The highest score is 90 and the lowest score is 28. Well, so we're being asked to populate this frequency chart for this range of scores. So in the range of 90 to 99, we have, and we'll just highlight it here, we'll use this, we have 4. We have 4 scores. Okay? From 80 to 89, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And we'll make that another color. And we'll populate the 6. And then we can look at 70 to 79. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, we can find another color. And this is 5. There's 5 scores in that range. 60 to 69, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll make these yellow, and we'll put a 5 here. And 50 to 59, I see 3. And we can go back and use some of the same colors. 3. 40 to 49, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. And I see 2 in the 30s and 1 in the 20s. Okay? Again, how do we check our work? We're going to use the AutoSum function. We're going to sum all these numbers up, extend it one row, AutoSum, we should get 30. And there is 30. To get relative frequency, we're going to divide this value by the total number of exam scores, which is a constant. So we're going to hit equal, and let's click the cell, divide by the 30. Okay, that number looks very familiar if you recall the last video. We'll round to 4 decimals. You see that little dot right there? We put our cursor on it, press, drag and drop. There are all the relative frequencies for all the 8 range of scores. Again, if we want to check our work, you drag and drop, you pull it down one more row, and we're going to hit auto sum. The number we're looking for is 1. Okay, so we have checked our work. We have 30 data points, and we have summed our relative frequencies, and they do sum up to 1. That is another and perhaps easier way to work with multi-row, multi-column data when trying to populate a relative frequency for a range of numbers, in this case, exam scores. That concludes this video.